Alright, I'm doing a video so everybody can see how to crimp 0 gauge wire. First off, what you want to do is strip back the insulation about the length of the I go to about right here on the lug. What you want to do is now put it back on the wire. Kind of get everything in there, all the wires all together, and give it a little bit of a twist. And I line it up with the writing on the wire, make it flat like that. And I bought this on eBay. I think it was less than $20. This thing is awesome. This thing works really, really, really good. I love this thing. And I crimp it from the back of it, from the back part. And I'll crimp it 2 times. Crimp it in the back first. Because if you crimp it in the front part, it's going to smush the wire back out. So you want to do it here so it pushes the wire to the end of the lug. Do your first crimp here and your second crimp right here. Take your hammer. That's your first crimp. Your second crimp. And what I like to do, see here how the wire pushed out a little bit? So if you did it on the end, it would probably be double that. If you did it on the end first down here, it would push it probably out about double that. But do your first crimp there, and then your second crimp. And then what I like to do is take some electrical tape and wrap the lug with the wire. And that seals it up from moisture getting inside the copper, inside the insulation, and corroding it. Also, I'm using a shrink tube, of course, sky high. But I like to do the tape first too. Tape it up real good. Wrap it around a couple times. Right there. Like so. And now you have a good, pretty much watertight. I guess you say water resistant. It ain't waterproof, but it's watertight. And put your shrink tube on there. Heat shrink. I put it the same way the writing's going, on top of the lug. Just like that. I got this at Harbor Freight for, I don't know, $6. Works awesome. And the heat shrink, I like to keep it right there. And that's it. There's your crimp lug on your 1/0 wire, sky high wire, sky high shrink wrap, and that's it. Appreciate you watching. Good luck on your project. See ya.